How to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen, and further tap on the settings option on the top right corner of your screen. You will now see the See More in Account Center option. Tap on that. Now, under the Account Settings tab, tap on the Personal Details option. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Account Ownership and Control option. Further, tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. You will then see the option for Deactivate Account. Tap on that and then tap on the Continue button. You will further be required to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your Facebook account's password and tap on the Continue button, and with this, your account will be temporarily deactivated. So, this is how you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.